Everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will talk about Samsung washing machine settings. Go through the different settings and modes that Samsung washing machine offers. Before starting, if you are new here, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. So now let's dive in. Firstly, we can talk about the modes. Samsung offers many cycles and modes. So the first cycle is a normal wash. So when you power on your Samsung washing machine, you will see the default cycle is a normal wash. It means it can automatically adjust the timer and the water level according to itself to wash your clothes. And next cycle is a quick wash. It is a very useful mode. Here you can reduce the timer of your washing cycle. It's only apply when you have less clothes and you have less time to wait for the washing machine to wash your clothes. You can simply click on the cycle button to move forward to a quick wash, and then after that click on start button to start the washing. After that it will take less time as usual to wash your clothes. And the next setting is a heavy duty settings. In heavy duty settings, they offers two modes. First one is delight and the setting option is soak normal. They both are a heavy duty modes. Here you can soak and wash your heavy clothes like blankets, jackets and many more. It's only apply it measure on a winter seasons, like when you wash your jacket, blankets and many heavy clothes. Its next settings is a very useful settings for you and the ecosystem is energy saving. When you choose energy saving, you will save the water and time and also the energy. It can reduce the energy consumptions to wash your clothes. And now we see the last option is a Eco Tub Clean. Eco Tub Clean is a cleaner of your washing machine. It's only applicable when you see that your washing machine turns into a dirty and it's not cleaning your clothes as usual. Like when you see it take more time and it are not working correctly. After that time you can choose Eco Tub Clean. Here when you click on the Eco Tub Clean, it can automatically clean your washing machine. Also it can clean the pipes and the pumps. Okay. Now we see its next setting. The next setting is a function mode. Like when you want to choose when you want to wash your clothes, only wash. So then you can click on the function button to move to the wash section. If a rainy condition when your clothes are already in a wet condition, then you want to rinse and then spin and then dry the clothes. So you can choose rinse and spin mode. And also you can click on the function button to choose these all options, like automatically they can wash your clothes, rinse clothes and spin and dry your clothes. The next option is a monsoon. Here you will select a timer to wash your clothes like 15 minutes and 30 minutes. And the final settings is a water level. You can adjust the water level according to yourself. Like you will see that you dip clothes and it can take water above than your clothes. So you can adjust the water level to decrease the water consumptions. And that's all. You are now see all the settings of your Samsung washing machine. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Goodbye.